How to update apps on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can keep your apps up to date and run smoothly. So now without further ado, let's get started. So the first step is to open the App Store. Here you can update all your apps, but I also recommend doing one extra step after this. So first, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and then swipe down to refresh the page, and here you will see any available updates start to appear. Now you can either update apps individually like Messenger or any other apps, or you can just tap on update all to bring everything to the latest version. And now for an extra step that can help, especially if an app is acting up, head straight into settings, and once you are inside the settings, simply tap on general. Now from there, simply go to iPhone storage, and this is useful even after updating because it clears out cache and temporary files. So if an app like Instagram is using too much space or having issues, you can offload it. Just tap on it and hit upload app and wait for a few seconds, and after that you can simply reinstall it. This won't delete your data, but it will free up space and refresh the app. And if you ask me, I like to do this for any app taking over a gigabyte from time to time. And with this, I hope you found this video helpful. And if it did, then like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.